Alright guys, this is Jodi and Pantry. What is your married name? So your married
I'm Mrs. Brooks.
Oh, Jodi and Pantry Brooks. So I'll be doing her makeup today. I'm not sure if I'm going to be having audio because we have a full house to them. They probably could play football or something because mostly boys, men. Alright, so now I'm actually going to be filling in her brows or doing her brows the same exact way I do mine. Nothing to see here, but I did use a brown pencil, and you see the pencil is darker than her actual brows. Now I'm going in with my matte coffee concealer that I actually use for my brows as well. I'm using that same color and I'm actually using it to define her brows. And just so I do my brows, I go underneath first and then I go on the top to define her brows. I really like this brown color on her. I think it looks really nice. That light brown, not light brown, but like mid-tone brown. It's very nice on her skin. So then I'm going in with my Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica primer. Never leave home without this primer. Okay, honey. Yes, work. Rubbing it into her skin. Her face feels really smooth. This foundation is actually from Shades by Gal, and it's their spiced rum foundation that I'm using. What else? She has oily skin as well. Yeah, that's as much as I can remember about her skin, but she has oily skin. So this is the foundation what it looks like, and her neck is actually darker than the rest of her body. I'm highlighting her with Fawn, and this is Fawn I actually use as well. She actually had a show to do, an event to do after this, so I layered on a good amount of foundation, good amount of concealer, and a good amount of powder so that it would last her. This is actually my Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica buttercup, and it's in the loose form, the loose buttercup, and this is what I use all over the highlighted areas. Now I'm going in with honey, and it's also from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, and I'm using it to set everywhere else on her face. And after, I think I went in with, I don't know, did I? It depends on the clip. Oh, for her low light for her nose, I'm using the same honey, perfect honey from Sasha Cosmetics again to go down the size of her nose, rather than using a darker color to go down the size of her nose. So I use my MAC palette to do her brow bone. It's like an iridescent orange. I didn't like how it was coming up, so I went over with my Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup loose powder. Now I'm going in with my Watch Me blush palette from the crayon case, and use this color, and I love the clip to play out. This is the only color I use just at this point, and I'm just blending it up, blended. So now I'm going in with the red, and this red is what I'm going to be using for her crease as well. You guys, this palette is everything. Do you hear me? Everything. I use it for eyeshadows, for blush, but mostly for eyeshadows, rarely for blush because I don't even wear blush that much. So this is my Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica Smoky Kit, and I'm actually using this as well to just bring a hint of purple to the look. I realize though that my technique has changed so much just by constantly working for this month of November. I realize I add weird colors at weird points, like that pink, and it's not showing up on camera, but it does something to the look, you know what I mean? Even that yellow that I added on Sakina, it didn't show on camera, but it just did something to the look. So for her, I wanted to do a cut crease on her, the traditional cut, well, the newly updated cut crease. I'm going to be doing a traditional cut crease look, take you back to the old days, honey. And I actually use my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NW35. This thing does not crease, full stop. So this is my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlight, and I'm using it as a blush, because as an eyeshadow, because you can. And if I was using a brush that was more compact, like tightly together, the brush is more tightly compact, it would have showed up way more on her. Then running back over to my Watch Me blush palette from Crayon Case, I'm adding this bronze color just to kind of bleed the colors into each other really nicely. Then taking that same color again and just going over it, because the color I used before, that last one there, it wasn't as bright, so I'm going with the color before it so the color can come up a little bit more on camera. Please recognize that the stuff they use on camera, it will not show up as much as how it would in person. In person it looks striking, but on camera you will have to add more because the camera does take away some color from your look. So I'm going in with the brown and just adding a little bit just for a hint of color, then going back in with the black with the same brush that I use on the brown, because me did want some of the brown in there, but the brown never pop as I want it to. So I'm gonna go back in with the black, pump up our outer side right where the cut crease in, then me tap on the purple. Now this purple, it kind of shocked me, and I think I'm going to go over the purple with another color. But I love the fact that purple is in this look and you can't even tell that purple is there. It's just like that, the hint of something. Yeah. Oh, I didn't go over with anything else. Okay, so that was my LA Pro primer in black, and then I'm blending out the Pro primer in black on her lash line. Then I'm going back in with the black, and I'm from the MAC palette, and I'm actually setting it. I'm setting the black eyeshadow. Now I'm just getting rid of the excess powder. Please note that every single time I use my products, as I do use most of my own products on the guests that I'm having here on my channel, I always sanitize my makeup before. Sanitize my eyeshadows, sanitize my lipsticks. Look at her. Oh my god. I feel so good when like I have guests on my channel. It just does something for me. Oh, and something that I need to tell you guys. Oh my god, what is this? This is from Shades by Gal. I needed to do her contour. Then I'm going in with cinnamon, my cinnamon match stick, shimmer stick, sorry, from Fenty Beauty. Then I'm taking my other color from the Watch Me blush palette, and I'm just bam pumping up her highlight. She loves it. She loves it, you guys. She loves it. This is my Cosmo Pop from Lime Crime, and I'm going to line her lips with my with my LA Girl Lip Liner in Espresso. Guys, the reason why I'm having so much guests on my channel is because I'm really getting bored of doing makeup. So when I have these people on my channel, it's like they're reigniting a fire. And I'll be also introducing some makeup artists on my channel as well, so look out for that for this month of November. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm giving you a video every single day. Please subscribe. Do not forget to click like, thumbs up this video, and leave a comment. Share my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys. We got the whole night. We got the whole night. We got the whole night.